very good welcome initiative taken by MANAGE. I think it is for the first time it is being done. So diverse views, academics, research, field practitioners, they are coming to at one place. So it is very interactive, and these kind of dialogues we need at national level, also at the regional level, so that we can have a common understanding about the issues. So I feel that it is very important step taken by MANAGE, and it should continue. And only one thing that we need to have more diverse audience, means representing different sectors, so that we are having a set of ideas coming from different backgrounds. Livestock is held responsible for climate change because of methane and all these are the big issues. But because there is one national initiative, NICRA by name, National Initiative on Climate Resilient Agriculture. Under that there are different modules developed by different livestock institutions. These modules need to be popularized among the stakeholders. And the State Department of Animal Husbandry is the major stakeholder, wherein everyone should understand and contribute to these modules, so that we can make livestock more resilient and more climate friendly. Yeah, that is true. Actually, there are good practices are already there, innovations are there, but not reaching to the stakeholders, the farmers who are going to implement them. It is happening because different departments are not working in collaboration. They are not coordinated well, and the convergence is not there. So we have to see that each department, as per its strength, should contribute towards, and others should support it. So lack of coordination, collaboration, and then convergence is mainly affecting adoption of the innovations. Yeah, it depends on, transfer of technology is not only telling farmers about the new technologies available. It is about the matter of capacity transformation, and capacity transformation defined on capability change, opportunity made available, and motivating the farmers with what we call com behavior model. So we have to alter either the capability if it is not there. If they are not motivated, we have to motivate them. If opportunities are not there, we have to create the platform where the farmers are getting the opportunities. If all these three things are in tandem, so we can think that capabilities are being built towards productivity improvement. There are different models. There cannot be one model depending on the context where we are working in. Say for example, if we want to have more better extension, livestock extension for example, there has to be well equipped, trained and equipments provided for extension activities at the district level, at the grassroots level. Likewise, every institution should be capable of transfer of technology mechanism or building the capacity of the farmers. So we have to think in terms of the infrastructure and the training competence, and we have to continuously upgrade the skill of the trainers also. For if these things are in place, we can think of changes.